Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. I am very happy to tell you that I have several surprises for you in the near future. So today I received a huge package from the company. You may know it, it's called Lidl. It's well known in Europe, and I ordered some really interesting things that might be useful for my studio, but I cannot find the blade with which I want to open this box. This is a really box, as you see here, and you will find there following items that I will review in a short period of time. So let's open the big box and let me know which one would you like to unbox and review as first. So let's open it up. What's inside? It's from Lidl, so it should be by majority the products called from the line called Parkside. Let me put the covering outside. What's inside? What's inside? It's very useful for your home, and I hope that I will use it when working on creative projects, which I will for sure record. Too many papers. Look at that. Too many papers. My tiny studio, as you see, I will show you in one of the upcoming videos how I build it. It's pretty small, very small. I will show you how I build it and how I achieved the relatively well sound isolation or insulation in it. With comparing with the original audio that I recorded with my phone when I started build this studio. So the last cover paper is out, and the first product that I will review is, oh, look at that, one-handed bar clamps. Look at that. They should have, according to this paper, and paper should not lie, jaw width of approximately 300 millimeters, 30 centimeters. It's 1 foot for you who are in not the metric system, and clamping force of approximately 60 kilos. That's 120 pounds. So they should be strong, and they are heavy. So let me know if you want to review this product as first. Second one. What's this? What's this small? I don't remember. Oh, sandpaper set. It's a sandpaper set for very specific. How does it called in English? Very specific, and you may see it. Belt and disc sander that I'm using for my other business, and you might want to check it out, and the link will be in the description of this video. It's called www.relaxiana.eu, like Europe, and you should check this page out as well. And the second thing that I will take out, and I'm really excited about this one, is very simple helper, but very useful helper. It's forestry safety helmet from Parkside, and we will review it Would you like to review this one as the second one or first one? Let me know. So, forestry safety helmet. Oh, get out! And the third one, and I need to reset my camera here because I cannot take it out with only one hand, and it is belt and disc sander, and you will love this one. It's highly rated, even though that it's from the Parkside lineup, and Parkside is not very quality known, or not very much known for the quality, but this one is working well according to the initial reviews I watched before giving a chance, and I bought it for 80 euros on Lidl shop. So that's about it. Here's a belt and disc sander. It's pretty big package, as you see my hand. The box is huge and the mess is even bigger. So I have the clamps, the forestry safety helmet, the additional sandpaper set that should, well, I'm not sure whether I ordered it properly, but this set should fit for the belt and disc sander from Parkside. It has identification number or name Parkside pbts 370B3. I'm very excited about this one. So, my friends, thank you very much for this short video, for watching of this short video. Sorry that I'm checking the display on the camera. Thank you very much. We will see us very soon with new reviews. Please let me know in the comments down below this video which one of the products that I showed you today, whether it are the clamps, the helmet, or the belt and disc sander, you would like to open and review, unbox as first one on this channel. I will try to read the comments and according to that adjust the reviews. So the reviews will be available in English, German, French, Slovak, and possibly in Hindi, but no one ever knows whether I will come into Hindi again. Hindi is quite difficult to speak up and learn. So that's about it. Thank you very much for watching of this short video. You were wonderful that you stayed until the end of this video. And I want to mention also, if you are having plans to build your studio, plans to boost up your production level in video making or video production, I have still ongoing giveaway on 3 microphones for your studio, like this one, lapel mic, a studio mic that is hidden somewhere down here, and the dynamic microphone. So you can win, you can receive for free. All you have to do is watch this video, subscribe to this channel, and like that video of giveaway. And if you know any friends that could benefit from receiving these kind of microphones as a help for their video production, then show them this video and show them that they're literally don't have to do anything special. Just only subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment the video with quote, let's say, I want to win this microphone, or which one of the microphones you want to win. Thank you very much for watching this video. We will see you soon. My name is Mario. This channel is called Exploramics, and ciao.